Hey, what's up YouTube? This is the Collecting Attorney back again with another video. Today I have a blaster box of 2018 Topps Archives. Topps Archives this year is based on the 59, 77, and 81 sets. I have opened one other blaster box of this year. I did pull an Ohtani rookie. I would like to get a Soto rookie out of this box if at all possible. I'll show you the odds in just a second. There are 7 packs. Let's see, there are the odds. 7 packs plus 2 bonus coins. And let's start with the coins. I don't know. I don't really collect coins in terms of baseball coins. But I'll open them just for fun. See what they are. Never know. Probably give them away in one of my other videos. And first up is Andrew Benintendi. So that's a nice one. And the second one is Josh Donaldson. So nothing crazy there, but interesting nonetheless. So these will probably, like I say, get given away in one of my giveaways coming up. I'm almost at 275 in terms of subscribers as I'm making this video. I won't post probably for a little while, but as of right now, I'm getting pretty close to 275. So we'll see. We'll see what we're gonna do. All right. Let's see. This is the 59 design. Blake Snell having a great year. Andrew Miller. This one is, and I forget, this one is 77. This is the 77, Jim Bunning, Johnny Bench. And Topps rookie history, and this is Frank Thomas from 1990. These are a reprint, they're not the originals, but still, that's a pretty neat card. All right, and then 81, we've got John Smoltz, Nolan Ryan, and Ian Kinsler. All right, next up, there are Sandlot cards in the boxes. There should be 1 Sandlot card in this box. Andrew Benintendi, Julio Teheran, Derek Jeter, Nolan Arenado, Justin Bour, Joey Votto, Cody Bellinger, and Irvin Santana. This one actually felt thicker and heavier than some of the others, but I don't see anything particularly different about it. Max Fried, Goose Gossage, Don Mattingly, Tanaka, Nelson Cruz. This is Nationals Future Stars. This is Robles, Stevenson and Fedde. Andrew Stevenson I picked up this year an in-person autograph while the Syracuse were playing in Rochester. This is one of the inserts. Nice guy. One of the only folks that would come over and actually sign in the lead up to game time. Starling Marte and Yadier Molina. So still no Soto. Sure would be nice if it would show up. Mike Piazza. Let me see if I can get this centered a little bit. There we go. Willie Adames. Justin Smoke. Nice. Gleyber Torres rookie card. That's a nice one. Oh, nice. We got Topps rookie history, and this one's blue, and that one's numbered 11 out of 50. Very nice. It's blue right there. 11 out of 50. Cal Ripken Jr. Very nice. Trey Turner, Yu Darvish, and Freddie Freeman. All right, we got 3 packs left. Still haven't got pulled our Sandlot card out of this box yet. All right, let's see. Eddie Murray, Nicky Delmonico, Clayton Kershaw, Nick Williams, Ahmed Rosario. Some really nice rookies in these boxes. Bashers by the Bay, Posey and McCutcheon. That's one of the inserts. J.P. Crawford rookie, and Robin Roberts. Oops, sorry. Pulled that out of the screen. All right, 2 packs left. 2 more chances to get Juan Soto. And fingers crossed. All right, here we go. Paul Goldschmidt, Luis Castillo, Lou Boudreau, Willie McCovey, Satchel Paige. All right, there's the Sandlot card. Bertram Grover. Joe Morgan and Chipper Jones. All right, so we've got 1 pack left. 1 more chance. Another Ohtani would be okay. Juan Soto is the one I really want, though. All right, Lorenzo Cain, Aaron Nola, and Luke Weaver. So no Sotos. James McCann, Jacob deGrom, having another good year, really good year. Alex Rodriguez, John Gray, and Ichiro to finish it up. So overall, that was pretty cool. Pulled the Topps rookie history, Cal Ripken, 11 out of 50, which is pretty neat. Got some nice rookies. Not any of the ones that I particularly wanted, but still some nice cards in the mix there. I hope everyone enjoyed this video. If you did, click like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know what you liked, what you didn't like, what you'd like to see, what you wouldn't, and come back for another video sometime soon. Thanks, everyone. Bye.